Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Scholar Rock Holdings and looking at this is a weekly chart first of all, and because we have limited amount of data, so the view for this particular script will also be limited in nature. Now looking at this particular script, what one can see is this big up move of more than 100% in a span of a single day, single trading session. But as you can see, the trend has started from the late 2019, and since then the stock has already given 334%. But with this, there is a change or shift in a trend. Okay, so let me tell you how and why. So here we have, so this was your previous resistance. Now with this single move, what has happened that the stock has already make a breakout. If you are a bit risk averse, you can take this one $30 as your big resistance. Otherwise, or else, the stock has already made a breakout above $27. So this is up to you whether what you want to consider, $27 or $30 as your big resistance. Technically $27 was, but if you want a bit more safety, you can use $30. Now what happened with this move is that the stock has already moved beyond a certain level, and as you can see here, okay, so here we have, as you can see here, that there are many levels that the stock has faced its support or a resistance, and finally it went up. Okay, now even though the stock is already made a breakout or near to its support and resistance level, but these previous levels are indeed active, and one should not forget about this level. Even though you do not want to look at it, but understand that these are your support level and at least you should take note of it. So here we have below 27, you have your next support at $21, further 16, then you have $13, you have $10, you have 9.3, and finally your big support at $7. So I'm not saying it will go towards $7. However, there is a possibility because stock market is not absolute, neither any stock, but one should take note of it, because in any case of adverse scenario, one should understand that how the stocks are moving and where they can find a good support or a healthy risk reward ratio. Now with this up move, as I already told you, if you want a bit risk averse, so let the stock moves and sustain above $30. Otherwise, it has already make a breakout. Now with this up move, the stock is in a new territory, and obviously what we are going to see, or what we are going to forecast, or is the probability of going up and what will be its new target. Okay, so obviously the probability is very high for the stock to go up, and the only thing we need to look at is the next probable target. So we are going to discuss about that, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now for that, what we need to do, simply we can take the length of this previous trend. Okay, rather than this, I would restrict my level till this, because and this is the level which looks much more compatible rather than this sharp spike ups. These are just spikes. So the if I calculate the length from the low till here, so this is a 200% move, and I can apply the same amount. So I can apply the same amount of move for its next target. So the next target which the stock could see, the probable upside target, will be $66. So if the stock holds above $27, we can probably see a target of $66 on the upside. So listen to me very carefully that I am saying if the stock holds above $27. If you are very risk averse, let the stock moves above 31. In that case, if the stock holds above 31 as well as $27, then only we can see a long-term target which will be $66 on the upside. It will take couple of weeks to couple of months. If it happens prior to that, that's a different case, but we are considering the scenario based on normal circumstances. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.